to save game progress in Hunting Sniper. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are playing Hunting Sniper and want to make sure your game progress is safe, first of all go ahead and open Hunting Sniper on your Android device. Wait for the game to load, and once it does, you'll end up in this main screen. From the home page that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the horizontal menu buttons at the top of the screen and click Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on Account. Now click on Secure Your Account, and on the next page, choose an available account option such as Facebook, sign in with Google Play, choose between any one of them. I'm just going to click on the sign in with Facebook option. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Make sure that it is correct and you'll be able to log in to Facebook. Now you'll also take the profile picture from your Facebook account and now click on continue, and you have successfully saved your progress. You can choose any login methods that is easier for you. Keep using the same linked account if you move to another device and want to access your existing progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.